Hi, this is Cody with RCD RV Super Center in Pataskala, Ohio. Today I'm going to be presenting to you the 2025 Coachmen Freelander 31MB. Let's go check some features out on this one. This coach here is equipped with some awesome outdoor features. You have a 32-inch outdoor TV here so you can watch a ball game. You also over here have a outdoor kitchen. This is a great space. You have a sink here so you can wash some dishes. It has a propane quick connect right here so you can set a griddle cooktop right here, do all your outdoor cooking. It's great for a family time. You can come out here and cook breakfast, lunch, or dinner outside for your whole family. Also, right back here, you have an outdoor mini refrigerator. It's a great feature so you don't have to go inside your coach every time you want to get a nice cold drink. There's no lack of storage on this coach. This coach boasts a rear storage compartment that you can load all of your camping supplies in. If you have camping chairs, fishing poles, anything that you need to fit inside this coach, you can put it right here in the rear storage. Inside this coach, there's a lot of cool features. Up front here in the cab area, you have a backup camera and side view cameras right here on your rear view mirror. The dash is also equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Here you have the bunk over the cab. It has an 800-pound capacity and it can sleep up to 2 people. And if you're not going to use it for sleeping, it makes a great storage space. They also add this net here, so if you're sleeping children up here, the children can't roll off while they're up there sleeping. Here we have the entertainment center and also the kitchen area. This 40-inch TV is on a televator, so if you need more counter space, it'll lower down into the countertop. Right here you also have a pop-up power tower for some additional charging. You have a Bluetooth stereo with 2 speakers built in. And then work your way down to the kitchen. You have a nice big open farmhouse sink, stainless steel, recessed down into the countertop. It has a 3-burner propane cooktop, and then also right down here a convection microwave with an air fryer built into it. This is a 12-volt refrigerator. It's 10 cubic feet. It runs off of battery power, so the nice thing with that is you have a 200-watt solar panel mounted directly on the roof that will charge your batteries up, and your fridge runs off the batteries, so you're never going to lose power. This is one of my favorite features of this coach. You have the theater seats, heated and massage recliners. Just work off the push of a button. You can get some nice relaxation with the family. This coach is equipped with a U-shaped dinette. This is a great area for eating a meal with your family. Also, it makes a great table for board games if you're going to play some games at nighttime. This is a separated bathroom, sink, and toilet, separate from your shower. Great for individual privacy while you use the restroom. This is a north-south facing queen-sized bed. You have overhead storage around the top of the bed with outlets on both sides of the bed for charging. One of the best features about this coach is you have a full wardrobe closet here, and this is actually a slide room. This extends out and offers ample storage space for all your clothes and shoes. That was the Coachmen Freelander 31MB. Make sure you stop by here at RCD RV Super Center in Pataskala, Ohio to come see us. Let us take care of all your RV needs. If you can't stop here, make sure to visit our website at rcdrv.com. We hope to see you soon.